So you want to buy more cars at the auction, but your wallet's telling you slow down. And that's where floor plan financing comes in. But is it your best move or a fast track to debt? Today we're breaking it down, what it is, how it works, and how to use it without sinking your business. All right, let's say you have $25,000 to spend for the week. You can either buy a few units outright, or you can floor plan that $25,000 and turn it into $100,000 in buying power. That means more inventory, more variety, and potentially more profit. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. That money isn't free. Most floor plans charge interest and fees, daily, weekly, or per transaction. Hold the car too long, you're losing margin fast. Here's some pros. You can buy more inventory faster, you can be more flexible during high demand, and you can build your credit history. But here's some cons. Interest and fees stack up quickly, kind of pressure to sell fast, and you run the risk of overextending. Here's where most dealers get burned, holding onto the unit too long. We've seen it happen multiple times. You buy 6, sell 3, but you sit the rest. Now your floor plan bill is bigger than your profit. Most companies like AFC or NextGear give you online tools to track every unit, interest, and payment due. Use it, live on it, obsess over it. Don't just guess what you owe. No. So is floor planning right for you? If you're scaling smartly, moving cars quickly, and keeping tight records, absolutely. But if you're guessing, buying blind, or playing the long game with slow units, you're gonna feel that burn, and fast. Talk to your rep, understand your terms, and always build your business model around cash flow, not around ambition. At Big Valley, we have dealers of all sizes using floor plans every single week. Some thrive with it, and some learn the hard way. For more information, you can call us at 956-461-9000 or visit our website at www.bigvalleyaa.com. And don't forget to subscribe for more auction insights. And remember, here at Big Valley, we're driving excellence, helping you succeed one vehicle at a time, because when you're here, you're family.